You can see here that the temperature's 5.6 degrees and the humidity is about 43%. And on the graph here, you can see that I took it out the fridge at about 7 o'clock this morning, but otherwise the temperature has been fairly stable all day. But you can also see that where the fridge is regulating the temperature, because the temperature is rising by about a degree. And it also looks like the fridge was opened at around 3 o'clock. If I go back to yesterday, you can see here pretty clearly the time that the sensor was put into the fridge. And that was at about 5:45. That's it.